Fix Chrome download blocked by your organization, security policy settings, admin restrictions, or group policy. Let's solve it step by step. Solution 1. Change Internet Option Settings. Press Windows +R on your keyboard. Type in tcpl.cpl and hit Enter to open Internet Options. Now click on the Security tab. Select Internet, then click Custom Level. Scroll down and find Launching Programs and Files in an iframe. Set it to Prompt. Click OK. Next, click on Local Intranet. Again, click Custom Level. Scroll to Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Select Prompt. Click OK, then click Yes if prompted. Now click on Trusted Sites. Click Custom Level. Set Launching Applications and Unsafe Files to Prompt again. Click OK. Now, while still on Trusted Sites, click Sites. Click Custom Level. Select Prompt. Click OK, then click Yes if prompted. Now, while still on Trusted Sites, click Sites. Uncheck all options here. Click OK, then click Apply. And OK again to close. Next solution. Change a registry setting search for Regedit from the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, copy the registry path from the video description, paste it in the address bar of the Registry Editor, and press Enter. Find Scan with Antivirus on the right. Double-click on it. Set the value data to 1. Then click OK. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.